Hello everyone, CaliBros1 here again with another video. This time it's going to be an update, part 3 of my model kit collection. These model kits are the ones I've built the past 2 years. I really enjoyed building them, and I don't really consider this hobby going away anytime soon for me. But anyway, this will be from I think around the past, I think it was number 30 through 39, 40. So there's a couple models, about 10 of them I'm going to be showing today. So I guess we'll get into it. First one is going to be the Aoshima Nissan GTR Liberty Walk. This is a kit that my girlfriend bought me for a birthday, and I wanted to keep it pretty much box stock because I couldn't think of a better colorway. I really love the black on red. You can tell I painted, I mean, you can't really tell too much, but there's a sticker or a decal, then it goes to red. There's the rising sun emblem and a bunch of decals as well. And it's just a really aggressive. I like GTRs. I love the Liberty Walk series of cars. I'm thinking about the Liberty Walk Murcielago. I think that'll be a lot of fun as a build. And it was a really easy car to build up. So the second one I'll be showing is going to be the AMT GT500. It's 1968 Mustang. This one, it was good. It was a good build. It was typical AMT fashion. Not many decals. There wasn't much detail to it. I did okay. A bit of a glue bomb, and my friend bought this kit for me. It was a good kit. I liked it. Went together well. The engine bay's nice. The hood's kind of finicky, so I probably won't be opening it, but I really liked it. I also wanted to paint it in a unique color, so this orange on blue is one of my favorite colors. Not only like the golf racing team has it, but also it was a car in GTA 4, a video game I used to play, had one of the like Dodge Vipers have it, and it was really a nice colorway. So good model kit, but typical AMT fashion, released back in the day. Not much detail and kind of hard to put together. Next one would be this Revell 1970 Challenger TA, and that was a good build too. I didn't really like the factory hood scoop, so I did the bug catcher, and then also the purple is something I wouldn't never do. I kind of a car that I kind of ventured out on color wise. So purple, I've never painted a purple car before, but this worked on this car because it's a factory color. Plus white interior. I didn't want to do a black interior. I wanted something to pop. So it was a good kit. I liked it. It's huge. It's very big. It's a 1/24th scale, and the Challenger is a big car anyway in real life. So it's one of the biggest model kits I have. It's just a big kit, but nice. It turned out really well, I think. I really enjoyed building it. Next one, kind of sticking with the Dodge theme, was AMT's new release, or back when it was the Charger RT. I kind of made it the way I would do it, you know, blacked out pretty much. I added the dual exhaust from, I forgot which kit, but dual exhaust, blacked the wheels out, roof. It's a great kit. The new AMTs are really good kits. You can kind of see the detail inside the engine bay. Very nice. And it went together really well. I definitely would recommend this kit to anyone. You gotta love these new Chargers. Kind of the same old thing though. I wish they had the SRT8 from 2012 to 2014. But what are you gonna do, right? Next one is the new release, or was when it went out, like I said, from Tamiya, the Nissan Z, or 400Z it used to be called in some circles. And I wanted to make it kind of a unique color because I didn't really like any of the colors that the factory one came with, so I went with this teal or Tiffany blue I could find at the hardware store. Not the greatest finish I have on a car, but I went together in normal Tamiya quality. Brilliant work on, you know, the undercarriage. Everything's detailed. Wish they had engines in them, but it is what it is. Great quality. You can't expect anything else from Tamiya, and I really enjoyed it. Really enjoyed building. The calipers are the same color, so just here and there, gray and black interior. The seats are multi-piece too, so you can paint them any which way you want. You really have to appreciate Tamiya's work on that. Then throwing it back to kind of a classic, or at least for me, is a 5th gen Mustang. Very good build, the GT500. This was from Revell, released, I don't know, 2007 or 2008. But yeah, great build. I kind of messed up on the bumper there, but it's good build. It goes together nicely. I tinted the windows. A little bit of a glue bomb right there, but yeah, it was a good build, solid. I was building this with my next build, so they have the similar colorways. And quality from Revell, as you can expect. The tons of detail underneath the hood, from what you can see there, and just a great build. I lowered it a little bit, but yeah, you gotta love the S197 Mustangs, and Revell's just knocked it out of the park with those. Next one would be the 68 Z28 Camaro. And this one, like I said, it was kind of the same. It's the same color, doesn't look like it. I mean, slightly off, but same colorway. So you got the white stripes and red color. It was good. Like I say before, the classic AMT kits, same with the GT500, not that detailed. It could use a little work. But this one went together fairly well. The detail, detail underneath the hood's kind of what you expect from classic AMT. Really not much decals. Interior's not all that detailed. But I saw it. I wasn't a big fan of 1st gen Camaros, but I saw this in the store and I just knew I had to have it, because the side pipes and just kind of how custom it looks. So, but yeah, it was a decent build. Next one is going to be one I had to go scour like the Facebook Marketplace for, and that is I believe it's the AMT 4GT. Good build, nice build, very detailed as well. The inside worked, pieced together really well. Engine bay doesn't open up, but you can see tons of detail in there as well. The color, I knew I had to get that dark blue with white stripes, like Doug DeMuro would have on his 4GT, and I entered it into a Instagram contest as well. I didn't win, but good build. Really solid. If you can kind of if you find one, piece it together. I think Polar Lights also made it. I think it's the same thing though, same company, but yeah, good build. The only tricky part was where the decal goes into the hood scoops. That was a little tricky. Besides that, really it's kind of up to your imagination and how detailed you want to do it. It's a simple build, snaps together most parts, but you can get really involved, really detail it out. Next one is going to be the new Revell C8 Camaro, or Corvette rather. This one I painted in a light blue, obviously with the calipers matching, and chrome lipped wheels. Much like modern kits today from Tamiya and Aoshima, Revell really knocks it out of the park. We live in a great time to be modelers. I just wish there's more models out, because I think before this, there really wasn't much new kits from Revell. But yeah, great build. Plenty of parts. It's a lot of parts, a lot of assembling, and the roof comes off too, so that's fun. You kind of get to see in there, and get a little customization going on there. But yeah, the roof comes off. Great build. You really got to appreciate the companies pushing out new kits. A lot of the engine-based stuff the engine body pops up too, but yeah, great build. Something to add to your Corvette collection. And then last is still in the making. I still have to figure out what wheels I want for it, but it's a Hawkeye WRX STI. This one I just knew I had to do orange. I've seen them. But yeah, it's great kit. Pieced together really well. Nice details. Nice decals. It's by Fujimi rather. So great kit. Yeah, I definitely recommend it. I made a custom lip for it and tinted the windows a little bit. So I'd recommend it. It's very good kit. So next coming up is going to be the new Porsche 911 GT3 RS by Tamiya. Then after that is a 2010 Ford Mustang GT. I found another one of those kits. I'll be assembling it because I actually bought a 2011 GT, and I'll throw in a 3D printed engine and different wheels from a 3D printer that I bought. So should be a good build, and I hope to see you guys later. I'll probably be putting up more videos on the channel later. Just been busy recently. All right, hope everyone's doing well. Take care. Bye.